My name is Ken Katz. I've been in this industry for a lot of years. The original PO system that we had was what we thought was going to be good software. It turned out not to be that great, and it was always having problems, and it was hard to get somebody to help us with it. Let me talk about their support system, because we do use their support and even depend on their support. It becomes high anxiety when something doesn't work well, or something crashes. We call support, and everybody in this building has the same answer, that these people are not only knowledgeable, but they handle things in a very calm fashion and put you at ease, very much like the bedside manner of the best doctor. And so it's just a pleasure to talk. I just had an experience recently, and Nick got on the phone and said, "I'll take care of it. Stay with me. Let me get on, answer a few questions." And before you knew it, we were back up and running. They're extraordinarily responsive to things that could go wrong and your needs. And I honestly don't know how they accomplish that. I don't know if the developers are on site every minute, every day, but they're constantly upgrading and supporting us. That's the way they operate, and I'm really, really pleased that they have that standard of excellence.